Analyzing macro data. My name Melinda Aulia Putri, NPM 2441120, Class Management 24B. Introduction. What is macro data? Macroeconomic data represents the overall economic condition of a country used to understand economic growth, inflation, unemployment, and policy decisions. Why is macro data analysis important? Helps government formulate economic policies used by investor and business for strategic planning. Serves as an indicator of country's economic health. Types of macroeconomic data: gross domestic product (GDP), a key indicator of economic growth, measures the total value of goods and service produced in a country. Inflation and Consumer Price Index (CPI) measures the increase in price of goods and services over time. CPI helps assess consumer purchasing power. Employment rate, percentage of the labor force that is employment, indicates job market condition and economic well-being. Trade balance, the difference between a country's exports and imports. A surplus occurs when exports exceed imports, while a deficit is the opposite. Interest rates, a monetary policy controlled by central banks, affect investment and consumer spending. Sources of macroeconomic data: National Statistic Agency, example, Statistik Indonesia BPS, provides GDP, inflation, employment reports. Central banks, example, Bank Indonesia BI, provides data on monetary policies, interest rates, and exchange rates. International organizations, World Bank, IMF, OECD provide global economic data and reports. Financial platforms, trading economic, Bloomberg offer real-time economic data and market analysis. Methods of macro data analysis: descriptive analysis, mean median data distribution, trend analysis, time series analysis. Observing historical patterns in macro data over time. Example, Indonesia GDP growth trend over the last 10 years. Regression and correlation analysis, evaluating relationship between economic variables. Economic modeling used to forecast economic change based on specific factor. Example, ARIMA model for inflation prediction. Case study, Indonesian's economic growth analysis. Data use Indonesia GDP from BPS. Inflation and unemployment rate from Bank Indonesia. Findings: Indonesian economic growth has shown a rising trend in the past 5 years. Inflation fluctuates but remains within safe limits. Unemployment has slightly declined, indicating improvement in the labor market. Challenge in macro data analysis: data limitation. Not all data is available in real time. Possible inaccuracies in data collection. Interpretation bias. Different analytical methods can yield varying conclusion. Global economic uncertainty, economic crisis, pandemic, or conflict can influence analysis results. Conclusions: macro data is essential for understanding a country's economic condition. Various analytical methods help identify trends and relationship between variables. Acquired analysis supports between economic decision making. Thank you.